Introducing Barry's brand new for 1975 Pontiac Ville Brougham. Take a look at this. Just check it out. And look at how much... Okay, get this. Are we kind of sharing design and parts bin? Like, look at these lights here. And then look at these lights here. I know the caddy goes around further, but that and that, yeah. It's a pond caddy. Anyway, look at this grill. God, it's incredible. What a stunner. I love this car. I got to see this yesterday when it showed up. It's still on the original tires, which is scary, but is what it is. We'll be getting tires eventually. But look at how nice it is. What a stunner. Incredible. Incredible, incredible, incredible. Can we say cousins? Cousins? Definitely cousins. Not like the dueling banjos kind, but you know. These taillights. Oh. So spectacular. And I saw it yesterday with the top up. It does have white top. It's incredible. I love the body color inlay on the door handles. The carpet just needs to be kind of cleaned and re-dyed real quick. God, the buzzer's annoying, but... Top switch. 16,971 original miles. Incredible. Just incredible. First order of business. The battery was from 2016. That was in here, so replaced that out. Got Barry an AC Delco, which he always requests. AC Delcos in GMs, Motorcrafts in Fords. It's a request, it's a preference of a client, and that's what we always do and we get. And actually, your local AutoZone usually has AC Delco batteries, but they don't advertise it. They're for commercial only. So you can get one at the front counter. You just gotta find somebody that knows what they're doing, so they're not pushing Duralast, Duralast, Duralast. So, fun fact. Anyway, so fresh battery. We're gonna go check all our fluids next, but look at how clean and wonderful this car is. Even has the tag on the AC. I am impressed. This guy needs to go here, it looks like. And this guy needs to go here. So, definitely resolved an issue. That would have been not fun to play with later. So I know everybody's seeing this after Sunday. I'm not posting this. Well, I'm going to put it uploaded, obviously, but I'm not going to make it live till Monday afternoon. So you obviously aren't seeing this until like the 30th of January. But I'm kind of just once-overing it quick so it can go to an event Sunday. And then next week, the week of the 30th, we'll be going through and doing all the fluids and everything else. So today I'm just going to kind of top up everything, check out things, make sure we're good, kind of make our list. But yeah, battery, first order of business. Doesn't love the seats. Wow. Oil level looks good. Doesn't look too dirty, but we definitely want to go ahead next week and put in our Lucas, which you already have here in stock. So I'm going to put the dipstick away. I'm going to check the trans. I'm going to check coolant. I think I'm going to pressure test the cooling system too to see if it is the heater core that's leaking a little bit. But man, that's nice. Real quick, check on our power steering. Looking good. Just a hair over full cold. I'm okay with that. Come on, Cap. Go back on, damn you. Checking out our belts. They are Goodyear Gatorback matchmakers. Except for the AC belt. They're not in bad shape. But I would like to get some Dayco top cogs if we could. Go check on the brake fluid here and our coolant. Coolant right now. Oh. Ooh, she burped when I undid the cap. Come on. All right, I'm going to use both hands. All right, so coolant level, it's just a hair down, but it's a 4-core radiator. You can see in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just a skosh down because it does have a recovery tank here. So I'm going to top this off. And then we'll pressure test it real quick. Just to see, because yesterday we did feel the carpet on the passenger side and it was slightly damp. And it did have kind of a coolant smell, so we're going to definitely check on that. But not bad. I would recommend a new cap. I mean, the rubber's still soft on this here, but it's seen better days here. All right, topped up cooling system and expansion tank. Gonna fire the car up and definitely going to check the trans level once it's running. And I'm gonna make sure the cooling system builds pressure on its own. I did top up the expansion tank a little bit as well. See the level. And we're gonna fire this baby up. All right, we're gonna fire this baby up. Usual 3 slow pumps all the way to the floor. Wow. That is the best starting of any car of this age, you know, that I've never touched before anyway. So the clock is not working. Gonna have to see why there. But gas gauge, oil pressure, all that seemed to turn on. AM, FM, 8-track, baby. It as an AC car as well. But we're looking good. She runs really nice, so we're gonna let her get up to temp. And we can verify the operation of the temp gauge. Good to go. So as I'm sitting here with the car idling, it does idle a bit rough. Like you can see the hood moving around. It does have some shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. So next week we're definitely gonna need to address probably timing just a little bit. Maybe check the coil. Might want to look into getting a fresh coil for it, but now that I revved it, it seemed to smooth out a little bit. You can see the temp gauge is operational. Seems to have a standard OE temp thermostat. We might want to talk about changing that to a cooler one, because this will be a desert car with AC. I want to go down to a 160. I'm pretty happy so far with it. Brake pedal feels confident. I'm just going to put her down in gear. The idle's actually better when it's in gear with a little bit of load on it. It does still have a little shimmy shimmy, yeah. But she seems overall happy. I'm going to go check the pressure on the cooling system while she's running. I'm not going to put the pressure tester on it, obviously, when it's nice and crispy warm and I've been running her. But just by squeezing the hose, the system does build pressure. So if it does have a leak back in the heater core, like we're presuming, it's not a very large one. So we have that going for us. I'm going to go ahead and turn the car off. And then I just want to check the level of the brake fluid. And of course I need to check the trans as well. So before I turn it off, obviously, gotta check the trans. Oh, she's way back there. Oh, I didn't mention that this car is rear option 455. Okay, so obviously the trans isn't hot. Where can we get it? There it is. The trans isn't hot, so it's not up to the hash marks yet. But the fluid is clean. So it's good for the weekend, but I mean I would change it because it doesn't smell the greatest. This is also a rare option 455 car. Alright. Brake fluid. It's not the freshest. So we might want to just do that too. And that's not leaking. I don't think so. I think that's from taking the cap off. Yeah, that's just some. Overall, not too shabby. These are not original wires. They appear to have been replaced at some point. Cap has the wire retainer. Those are always gone on HEIs. But this car's very nice. So yeah, our list: belts, fluids, filters. And away we go. But she's good enough for the weekend, which, of course, this video won't be public till after the weekend because it has its grand reveal. But so the only ones that are going to see it are me and Barry.